This is Sharpertek's AMT series 5-station ultrasonic cleaner with load, unload, clean, rinse, and rinse with an optional dry tank. We begin with the loading station where the basket is picked up, then dropped in the first tank, which has ultrasonics, heat, filtration system, weir, sparge bar, and autofill feature. Once the cycle is complete, the automated gantry picks up the basket and delivers it to the second tank and third tank on a first-come, first-served basis, meaning all tanks may simultaneously be used. In this setup, the second and third tank have ultrasonics, heat, and a filtration system with autofill feature. After the fourth tank cycle is completed, the basket is moved to the unload station where a robot or worker may remove the basket from that station. This is an example of the HMI screens showing the autofill, temp, time settings, and recipe programming. This machine also has a 7-day programmable timer that can prime the machine for degas, heat, and filtration prior to work hours. This machine is about 10 feet long, 4 feet deep, and 7 feet tall. Contact us at sales@sharpertek.com for a custom machine quote. Thanks for watching.